Hello everyone! Today I have a special toy. It's named ENGINO. It has 13 in one fit. It has 13 fit in one in this box. It has racing car, kangaroo, crocodile, and this one is something. I don't know. So this one is an aeroplane, a windmill, and a copter. So I will open it, okay? What is so hard? Okay. Wow, this is so much. Too much, too much. This is have lots of fits, okay? Let's see, what do we do first? Maybe do this wind. So you can in the iPad or phone and download this one. Now I take my mom's phone, open. Okay, you download ENGINO ID, okay? Come in. Now, you see lots of ones. You go this, inside this yellow one. 6 plus, okay? Now you choose, what do you have to choose? See, I have green, so I am the first one here. Wow! Here, this windmill bit. Here, do you see? See? Now I'm going to make it. First, I need the power disc. Take the 3 circle. Here, take the 3 circle. Let me see where do it put. Everyone, this is 30 in 1. Okay, so you in the phone, you see the green one and you tap in it, and this is a battery. Okay, now I will choose the wheel over here. This one, my daddy take it over. Okay, okay, now I do it. I'm doing green a bit of lot, so just wait. This battery will over here. Now let me see. Okay, whoa. Be careful, because when you lost one fit, you can't make anything, okay? Now this one will be grain. I put this super grain over here, okay? And this one too, but this is just 1 blocks, okay? Whoa. Thanks, Daddy. Okay, put it over here, 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 here. Okay. Okay. This is, I said first, this is a bit lot. Do it finish? Okay. Now, this one will be over here. Now this one here too. Okay. This one in here. This one in here too. Now, every this black, hey, over here. When this one is broken, you can change this one in, okay? You can change. You need something to open to this. Whoa. Now, over here, I will put it right here. Okay. Now, what do we do first? The wind. Hey, mommy, give me the phone. Now, everyone. See lots of this? You tap in this. See the letter? Tap in. Here. It said power motor. You tap in it and you choose what color did you have. You have green or orange, red, yellow, or purple. I have green, so I tap in green. See, it has lots of things. So I will do this windmill. Whoa! Everyone, look, it has wind. When you tap this one, they will spin around. Later, I will show you. Now, I will do it. First, we need to take the battery, take the 3 circle, put it over there. Now, I will take this battery. Okay, everyone. See? These 3 buttons, and you put it down here. Hey, wait. Let me see. Hang on, wait. This one over here, circle down, put it, okay, like this. Next, let me see. Okay, now, another one, put it right here. No. Well, okay, like that. Okay, we just make a little fit. Now, another one. Stick this one. You take down, you see no circle over here. That's over here. And then you take like this, put it inside here. See? Like that. And let me see. Okay, take another one and put it over here. Take this one, slowly put inside. And then you take this gray. Now let me see, where is it? Hey, where is that? Okay, over here. Wait. Let me open this. Wait a minute. Okay. Whoops. Well, who turned on that? Now let me fix this one. Okay, next fit. Now, everyone, you take this one. It has circle in here and 2 buttons, 2 over here too. Okay, let me see. Okay, you take this one. Let me see. Okay. Okay, let me try. Okay, like this. Okay. Now next fit, you take this one. Now let me see. Hang on. Wait. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, three fit. 3. Okay. Wait. Here, you see this one? It has 3 holes. And over here, when you finish, just spin around and there stick. Okay, next, you put 3 circles like this. Okay, you put it over here. Whoa. Oh well, I will take this one. Thanks. Now I will take this one. I stick this one in. And I take these blocks. I put it like this. Wait, this is a bit difficult. Okay. Okay, another one. Take it. The last one. Okay, let me stick this one in. Okay, let me see. Now, it have this one. Now, let me see. Now, stick it over here. Now, let me see. Okay. Take it like this. Okay, take the green tape like this one. Okay, now I stick like this. Next, well, put this one in here. Okay, put 3 in here. This is a bit difficult. And another one down here. Hang on, let me see. Okay, I know. Let me put this one up here. Now, grain this, put like this. Wait. Let me try again. Okay, let me try. Oh, it's been like this, but not finished yet. Where is it? Okay, I do it too. Okay, take this one, put it over here. Another one, put here too. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one. Okay, another one. Here. So hard. Now take this one. where it should be put. Okay, like this. Whoa. It's not a bit easy. It's well not any easy for me. It will be not easy at all. I knew it. Now take two of these. You take these, you put in. Be careful because this one a bit crumpy. This one is a bit crumpy. You can spin it too. This one is so hard. This one is the hardest thing I ever do. Okay, now I take these. Now I put it like this. I take another. Let me see. This one. Okay, another one. Now take this one. You put it down here. Okay. Now another one. Okay. I know. Put, what is next? Oh, okay, I know what to do. Let me take this one. I put over here first because it will take a bit of busy. Hey, I wrong. Now I'm a bit wrong. Okay, now it's a big problem. Okay, like this. Now let me see. Take this one. Now come on. Okay, now it's better. Now I just spin it. Now let me see. Okay, I know this one. Take this one. Put it like this. Like this. Now just take this one, put it over here. Now another one, put it here. Okay, now I finish. Hey, hang on. Okay, next. Okay, one this over here. Next, we'll do it shut out. Hey, what inside? Hey, what is doing What that should we do? Let me see. Okay, I understand. I understand. Put it right here. Okay, let me see. Okay, take this one. Where do it put? Okay, one over here. Now what's next? Now take this one. Take it over here. Now let me see. Oh, it's stuck. Hang on. Okay, like this. Wait, is that kidding? I don't understand if you kidding. If I'm not kidding, where is put? Hey, stupid, do it a bit difficult. Now let me take this one, open it, and I do it again. I don't know what is happened. I don't know it's the tricky bit. I don't know, this one is the tricky bit I ever do. Hang on, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I just do 4. Oh, I understand. Now what's more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, is it work? Now is work. What? Next. What is that? Oh, this one. Hey, where did it put? Okay, I understand. Put this one over here. Put like that. Put another one in. What? Are you kidding? Now take this one, put it here, put this one in. No, that's just good as new. Oh, okay. Hey, I forgot to do this. Okay. Now, what's next? Hey, this is a last fit. Wow. We just make it. Whoa. It's the wind, we just make it. And this battery make a small battery. Wow. Whoa, I just make it. See? We just make everything. Whoa. We just make everything. Do you see? Just like in here. See? It's spinning around. Wow. Everyone, I finished just in my job. This is a windmill, okay? Wow. It looks so pretty. So I will stop this video right here. Okay? Bye bye everyone.